What's going on, people? This is your host, Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies, healthy living expert and certified fitness coach. In today's recipe, we're whipping up a low-carb blueberry lemon pancake. But if you're short on time, no problem. This recipe only takes about 15 minutes using some simple ingredients, minimal steps, but delivers big flavors. Stay tuned. If you found this video to be informative, give us some feedback. Hit the thumbs up on this video. In the comment section, give us feedback as well. Let us know what you thought about the video, how the recipe turned out for you, and what you would like to see in the near future. Make sure you subscribe if this is your first time on this channel, and hit the notification bell to be updated on when we upload new content. Make sure you share this video. The more you share the videos, the more relevant we are, and the more relevant we are, the better content we can produce in the future. My name is Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies. Much love, much respect, stay peaceful. Till next time, peace.